Hi guys, welcome to Them Fast and welcome to yet another video. Today we have a Fiat 500 Sport for you with a open roof, so that is actually very nice. This car is from 2020 and it has the two-cylinder engine, so it's the 0.9, so it's 875cc, really tiny engine. It's a two-cylinder. It is a really nice car. So this video is powered by Bolt-ons. That is the company from Robin, and you can get all sorts of car accessories there, so make sure to check that out and use the code in the description down below for some discount as well. So right now Rob is going to take you for a POV drive.
So hello everybody and welcome to the inside of this Fiat 500C or coupe or cabriolet. And this car is a really fun car actually, because it has a tiny engine with two cylinders, and yeah, there's a eco button, and there is a kind of normal, or you can call it sport because the eco is the normal button. And yeah, it actually is fun to drive. It makes a funny noise, and it's also quite fast for a car like this with as little horsepower as it has. But yeah, it's kind of fun. And this car has a open roof, so it's yeah, the cabriolet, as I already said, and it's quite quite fun to drive it with the roof open, because it will open like all the way, so also in the back, so it's almost driving with no roof at all, so that's fun. I may close it because of the wind noise, and you guys don't see any difference, I guess, so I'll close it. You do it with a button over here and it closes the roof. And you can do that while driving, so there's no limit for any speed whatsoever, so you can always close the roof, so that's nice. So today we are in this car and we POV drive it. Also let us know what kind of car you want to see on the channel that we POV drive for you, because we have access to some cars and some cars we don't have any access, but we will like to see if we can get that type of car on the channel if you let us know. Also let us know what you think of this car and of the video, of course. And now we go further on with the drive, because the car has some pit. For such a kind of don't cheap, I guess. I don't know what is the value or the price of this car, but it's a more smaller car than like normal cars, so that's why why I said it has a lot of power. Not a lot. It's fun. So further on, this car has Apple CarPlay and I thought Android Auto, so you can use that as well. Also like the radio and stuff and your navigation, it's all in here. It's a nice screen. You can adjust the brightness. It's all very basic, but it does what it needs to do. It's not that big. I think it's around 5 or 6 inches, so it's not a really big screen, but it works, and it's a touch screen, so that's always handy for using the infotainment screen. Further on we have the virtual cockpit. It's also nice that you have that. The instrument cluster is this is virtual, and further on we have the climate control buttons over here, and they are also like the older version of this car. There has There's no big changes whatsoever. Everything works. Yeah, so that's it. And you of course have the buttons on the steering wheel for adjusting volume, skipping a song, call, pause, and take the call, and your other stuff. And today we don't do any flyby shots because I'm alone, so I can't make any flyby shots. So that's why Nikki showed you the car from the outside already, so you can get some impressions out of that. And otherwise we may make another video in the near future, so yeah, you can get the flyby shots then. But for now we don't have any flyby shots. And in terms of driving, this car is very, very usable because it's a little car, or a smaller car than normal. The turning radius is good, as I will demonstrate right now. So we're on this side of the road, and if you turn all the way in, you can turn the car quite easily, even faster than what is necessary right here. And also for city driving it's very, very useful, and for parking it's also really handy. The car has a 5-speed manual gearbox, and it has quite long gears. So when you drive like 80, it does 2,500 RPM, and that's not that much because we are in 4th gear. So if we gear up to the 5th gear, we are already in 2,000 RPM. But I'm not like, yeah, if you drive 80 kilometers an hour, it's like 2,000 RPM. So that's nice for the fuel consumption and for driving longer ways, because in like for example a Peugeot, a French car, the RPMs are quite high, and this is different. It's what you prefer, of course. I can show you the car a bit more from the outside. I thought, why not? So this is the car from the outside, and you can see the roof is now closed. It has some sporty rims, a good looking color, I think. And from the back we have a small hatch. It opens like this. You have a little space over there. We have one exhaust, a little sporty back, and yeah, it's fun to see this car drive. And yeah, this is the car from the outside. So the conclusion of this car is that it is a qualitative car for the money you pay. It's a fun car to drive, it's a good car to drive, and it also is a very handy and comfortable car for this kind of, for this class of car. So that's good. You can use some accessories. You can find them on Boldons. Nikki already said it. We provide our customers with car accessories, all kind of car accessories, like license plate holders, but also and also phone holders and other kind of accessories that is always handy for safety and all kind of stuff you use in the car. So that was the POV drive with this Fiat 500. I hope you like it and see you guys in our next video. Ciao!